What's good, Plan D? Today we're gonna make some coilover things for me, and then over here I'm gonna be working on coilover stuff for the rear of my car, because I got coilover sleeves on the front, and I got these, picked these up from Facebook Marketplace for 200 bucks, matching pair, little adjustable guys. Come with the spring already that I'm probably not going to run because it's 125 pound. I believe I'll have to go look up what it was. I think it was 125 or 150, but what I'm going to run is I'm going to make these little mounts that bolt on like so, and then this top thing is going to go through the top of the strut tower, and then I can bolt it there, and then the bottom, or this would be the bottom because I'm going to mount them upside down, or the right way like Ryan likes to say. So we'll show you guys that later today, and then this is me working on it right now. So I just drill a hole there so this guy could go through, then I'm going to cut it off, and then I'm going to cut the bottom out, and then I'm going to cut it off. So yeah, so guys, I'm back. Let's get some decent lighting. There we go, I'm back. I just finished up making that little bracket not that long ago, and then we came over here, and we're at Jane's new place, which is I've got my car in the garage right now, his car's out there. Usually his car's in the garage, but I'm just doing a little work. But we got the coilover mounted in place. Well, it's not fully mounted. We made the little bracket up top, made that guy, which let me clear the shot up with my ugly ass welds, and then we bolted it to a little swing pivot bracket, and then down here I'm just going to mount it on the bottom, but I gotta make a little spacer so that the spring's not rubbing on the diff, and then it'll bolt right in. And it's a little adjustable fucking guy, single adjustable, and it's actually pretty nice. And up top you can see that we just got the biggest bolt that will fit through that hole, and we're just gonna nut her down with a fucking eye lock, and it'll be great.
The only problem is you might rip this out one day, but we'll find out.
We're gonna weld
when we get there
over here, and then I'll take a torch and take this gunk off, and then we'll weld it again, and then I'm gonna have a strut brace from here all the way to the other one, and then tie that into a cage when I put it in a cage. So it'll all be pretty fucking stiff. Yeah, I'll show you guys that process, and then I also have a sway bar and 8/8 diff, but I'm not putting the 8/8 diff in yet. I'm gonna build up the 8/8 diff with a lock, not a locker, a mini spool, because it's cheap, and then throw that in later. But just figuring out the coilover stuff and ride height stuff before I really dick around with it. But yeah, be back in a little bit. Hey guys, it's Jared from Plan D, because we're no longer Fresh Garage. Just finished installing the coilovers on this beast. Yeah, she's not a beast. Just a fucking clapped out flat tap at 302 that maybe makes 150.
it's a duck
To the crank. But I'll take you guys off the tripod and I'll show you around. We got the coilovers installed. Probably can't see because she's fucking canned. Yeah, you can see, that's actually pretty sick. Here, jump on it, jump on it.
It's
like she's stiff, and she's only got like 175 springs or 125, I can't remember.
But they're good though, because like I got 250s, and I'm thinking I'm probably over spring now.
Yeah, and then go over to Jay's car. I pretty much have the same, I had the same setup.
Yeah,
Go jump on his car. That's what I had before. So, way superior. And that's what I have now. Okay, so, this is how you get into the back of my car. Whee! That's shocking right there, boys. As you can see, it's
fully bolted down. There's a bolt in it.
Yeah, there's a bolt. But, I don't have a socket big enough to drive it down with my impact. And if you just turn it, it just turns the whole fucking thing. So I'm just gonna impact her down once I get the socket from Ryan's place. Whoop.
Everything goes down.
And yeah, it's actually quite nice. Here, we'll quickly crawl underneath. So it's just mounted with a piece of pipe as a spacer, and then there goes the coilover up top. And then I already showed you guys the brackets I made, and there's my shitty exhaust, and there's the other bottom of the guy, and they're little adjustable, so I got the adjustable side poke it out. So right now they're cranked to max, and then I don't know, I'll probably put that in the middle and go vice versa and try playing around with spring rates too.
Try it out first,
yeah. But now that it's super stiff, that'll be sweet. Get that down. I also have a sway bar, but I'm not putting the sway bar in until I put. Woo! Over here, boys. This 8.8 big boy diff. That's the end of the video. Peace out, guys. Bam. We'll try.